I'm going to show you how to see all comments and replies on threads. It's a very easy thing to do. So say for example, you can see here this particular post has 37 comments. For me to view that, I just need to tap anywhere on this actual post where the writing is at the top, and that will open up the post further. Then I can scroll down and I can view the replies to that particular post. Another thing that you can do, if you see here where it says replies and then on the opposite side it says view activity, in here we can get a breakdown for a bit more, providing that they have this set to public. So if I go into likes, I can see who has liked this post, I can see who has reposted this, and I can get quotes from the post. And that just allows you to delve a bit deeper into the comment and replies section in threads. But that is basically it.